My name is Melissa, and I am a brand ambassador for Essential Stencil, and I'm going to use some stencils. This is a foil pan holder, carrier. I don't know what you want to call it. That's what we're calling it. One of my friends sent this idea to me, and I was like, I love that. So the best way I know to do this is to tip this up like this. I think maybe you guys can see this. Let me get some tape because I am going to have to put this here. Okay. So I'm just using acrylic craft paint. And I'm going to use antique white. I'm going to grab my big 7/8 brush, and I'm going to just dip right here. Now this is not a dip and go here. It's dip here into your paint, get it on your brush, and then offload it. You want to take the paint right back off of it, almost like you're wiping it off of there. You want to have kind of a pretty dry brush, so you don't want to have paint cluttering up and sticking on the end here. Now I'm going to go to my stencil, and I'm just going to lightly stencil right over this. Okay. Let's take this off. That is pretty. That turned out really good. So I'm going to flip this up, and we're going to do the other side. I wanted to dry it because I'm now going to set this down on my lap again, and we are going to do this side the same. Okay. This looks good. This looks really good. So we've got home on both sides. So now let's do the middle. I think, I have to look at this for a second, and decide what I want to do in the middle. Should I just do this, the transfer? Probably. I'm going to pull this all off. We're going to do the Scandinavian set transfers. So let me see if I can get this separated. Instead of cutting them apart, I'm going to leave them like this, because I like how they are. They just peel like so. You see right through them. And then we're going to stick this down in here. This is going to look beautiful. And I'm just going to pick a way that I want them to go. All right, here we go. So we're just going to use the transfer tool. We're going to transfer this into here. Before we get off of here, so don't go anywhere. Oh wow, this is so cute. I'm glad I did the transfer. It looks so good. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Home. What a darling little tray. And I'll show you, for anybody wondering, not just your, so yes, you could put Mod Podge, you could spray seal this with an acrylic spray sealer and spray the whole thing. But look, what a cute carrier for your 9x13 pans for the holiday season. What a great gift. If you're looking for a gift for somebody that you can personalize, I'm going to be giving these to some people I know probably for holidays this year. I'm going to personalize them. I might even stencil them like custom to them. So be thinking of your loved ones. Think of your family. Think of your gifting. We are selling these trays on our site. We currently have 15 of them. on our site, and I don't know if we'll restock. So that is what I know. We just listed them on our website today, so, or our app. They may not be on our site, but they are on Miller's Rustic Sawmill on our app. But there's that. That's pretty cute. And what a nice little surprise when you take the pan out, right? Like, I think that is a fun thing. Yes, a great wedding gift. Great wedding gift. All right, you guys, have a great rest of your week. Thanks for being here. I will go through the comments also and try to read through them tonight and reply and answer some things if I don't see them answered. But you guys are always so great to show up. Evan, have a great week. Bye.